Alright, so before this video starts, I recommend y'all watch this video while you're doing your face routine, brushing your teeth, making your bed, cleaning your room. You know, I just recommend it because it's a long video. It's like a 20-minute video, y'all. So I recommend doing something. Well, let's get into it. What's going on, G Squad? It is 6:42 a.m. at the moment. This vlog is a different type of vlog. I'm not sure if some of you guys know. I think some of you guys know that I have a 1994 Mustang, right? But it doesn't run because the transmission is broken. So I was on Facebook Marketplace, found one for $200. I'm gonna go pick it up with my uncle, but the downside is that it's in Salem, Oregon. So that's like an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending if there's some traffic around. But you guys are gonna be coming along with me. I'm gonna go pick it up, drop it off at the shop with a good friend of mine, and hopefully have the Mustang fixed and ready to drive and just be killing it, you know, this month or this summer with the car. So hope you guys enjoy the video, stay at the end, and to the new people, welcome and thank you. So let me tell you a little bit about the transmission. I am going to be paying $200 for the same transmission that my car has, but this transmission is a rebuilt transmission. So I'm kind of gambling here, you know. I'm kind of gambling, but I like to take risk. I'm a person that takes risk, so I'm a risk, you know. If it doesn't work out, maximum I'm gonna be wasting $600 ish, you know. It is a lot, but it's a risk I would take because the Mustang, I haven't moved it. Oh, I do move it, but only in reverse because that's the only gear it works in. And I will show you guys right now how it looks like, but it's mad dark and you can't even see nothing. So hopefully when I get this transmission, I'm gonna take it to my good friend. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel link in the comment section, so go check it out if you want to. Recommend it. And I'm gonna give him the transmission and bring him my car. Gonna take it to his shop and just hopefully get it fixed and, you know, get some good news because man, I have struggled with my 1994 Mustang. I have struggled. The struggle is real with that car. It's been towed, transmission breaking, like so much stuff. But I love the car. It's my project car, you know. No one's gonna change my mind on selling it or nothing like that. So hey, like when you want a car, you want a car, you know. Bro, that's the transmission right there. Paid $200 for it, and they're saying it looks great. I had to go to Salem to go get the transmission. $200 right now. I'm at the homie shop. He got some cars working in here. I'm not gonna show the place just for privacy reasons. But I told them to record so he might have a vlog or he might have a video on his channel working on my cars. If you're interested in that, like I said, I'm gonna put his link in, like, on the comments, so it's gonna be his link. So I mean, yeah, so far they're saying it looks good. They said it was a steal. They pretty much said it was completely free because like $200 for a transmission like that, and it's the exact same one like mine, for a 5.0 V8. All right, DG Squad, they are coming for the car today. Today is Monday the 30th. This is going all so fast. Honestly, I couldn't do it without Brian. Thank you so much, Brian. I really appreciate what you're doing for me. He's like, all this stuff is new to me, you know, so I don't I've never done this. So like I said, please go check out his YouTube channel. He does really cool videos, and he's just helping me a whole bunch. Like, I really appreciate you. So when the tow truck is here, I'm gonna record it like getting pulled away or something. But yeah, the tow truck should be here in a few, and I'm gonna record that. Well, there we go, it's up. It was a pain in the ass to move up because it is dead. The battery is dead. I should have charged it. But I think I might leave it in my generator and say, if you gotta use it, charge it up, do whatever you gotta do, you know. Yo. So, of the recording of the video when I first started, it was January 28th. Now, today is March 22. Y'all can do the math on that. I'm not gonna do it. One, I'm terrible with numbers, and two, I just don't want to do it. So it's been some time. And I'm here to update about what's going on. So last time we were left off, my friend Brian came to get the car, put it on the tow truck, took it to his place, added the used transmission that I bought. He put it in, installed it, and then he called me up. He was like, hey man, I got some bad news. I'm telling you, I have to be cursed or something, because whenever I make a YouTube video, it never goes out my way. Something always bad happens. The content's not good. Like, I'm just cursed when it comes to videos. It impacts my real life. I bet you all know. So he tells me we installed it and everything, but it's still not working. And in my head I was like, okay, damn, I either got scammed by the transmission or the motor is just not working. And I was like, well, what's going on? Tell me. He said, it's the opposite now. Now it drives forward a little, but it doesn't go in reverse. And I was like, fuck. I was like, well, you know, thank you. He's like, yeah. He's like, we don't know what the problem is. And I was like, you know what? It's all good. Thank you. I appreciate you. Paid him. And then me and my dad were talking. I was like, this didn't go out. He's like, you know what? He's like, you see, that's what happens sometimes in life, especially with cars. Sometimes you try to go the cheap way and not the expensive way, and it doesn't turn out the way you want. Sometimes it's better to go the expensive way and then the cheap way when it comes to fixing up the car and stuff like that. Either way, that's a whole different life thing. So I was talking with my dad, and he's like, you know what? I don't think we're gonna have an option but to take it to a transmission specialist to get it rebuilt, get it worked on, and just have it done by some time. Remember, that was what, back then. So I said, alright, bet. So I called up the guy. He gave me an estimate how long it would take, and warranty. That's the main three things. When you spend more than $300 on your car, that's the main three things you want to learn or know before you do the job. I was like, okay. He gave me an estimate. He gave me a time. He gave me warranty. I was like, bet, say less. So the day that I took the car in, the next day, we got a snowstorm out of nowhere. I'm about to show y'all right now some clips.
Ready, look. Bro, that's more than a foot. Look. That's all the way to my ankle.
Yeah. It was inches and inches of snow. And in my head, I was like, this is going to delay the work. I'm fucked. But you know, I was like, okay, a little bit of waiting, that's not bad. And I'm an impatient person. I'm trying to work on that. But my patience, I have patience, but when it comes to things getting fixed and stuff, or like things coming here, I was like, yo, I need an update. Give me an update. I need an update. I'm trying to work on that, I promise. So he does the work, you know. In my head, I thought it's been 1 week. Dante tells me, what's up with your car? Like, what's still getting fixed? He's like, dude, it's been 2 to 3 weeks. I was like, nah, you're playing. He's like, yeah. I'm like, nah, bro, like, it hasn't. And I go check on my Snapchat memories, and it's been like 2 weeks and a half. I was like, nah. He said it was gonna be done in a week. So I call him up. I'm like, hey, what's going on? Like, I haven't heard nothing. I need an update. And I hate being that guy that consistently calls and stuff like that. But it's just, I like to be up to date with things, you know. And a lot of people probably are like that too, because it's their property. So people are like, oh, this is your right. But I was like, yeah, I understand. But it took me a month. Oh, yeah. It took me 1 month to get an appointment with him, because he's well known in the area for fixing transmissions and making them, like, for drifting, racing, like, time attack car. Like, he's known for stuff like that. So I was like, what's going on? He's like, oh yeah, so we put the transmission in about a week ago. I was like, bro, so what's up? No call, no nothing. He's like, but there's another problem. I'm like, damn. And I thought again, the mortar, something's wrong with the mortar. He's like, when we were driving and testing out, it would slip and not work. He said it would work in reverse and in drive, but it would slip and it would go slow. I was like, okay. So what's the problem? He said, it's the computer. I was like, it's a computer? He's like, yeah, it's a computer. So you guys probably know that cars have computers. The computer is the brain of the car. It tells everything in the car, what to do, pressure, oil, stuff like that, how much gas, it's the brain of the car. And I was like, damn. So now in my mind, I thought, you know what, maybe the transmission I did buy, the $200 one, did work. It probably did work. But the computer just was so messed up that it wasn't reading the oil pressure right. Like, it wasn't doing its job pretty much. The brain of the car wasn't doing its job. And I was like, so the transmission that I bought was probably good, but the brain of the car was just doo-doo. And I was like, okay, so how much would it be? You know, because I can't just drive a car with the new rebuilt transmission and the brain not working. No, it's just going to mess up more components in the whole car in general. So he said, the computer is $200. I was like, okay, that's not bad. But he didn't tell me the labor. Usually labor can be from 100 to 1,000 to 2,000, depending on this. And he didn't tell me the labor. And it's been some time now, and I still haven't had an update. So I told him, you know what? I'm not going to keep on calling you. When the car is done and I have to go pick it up and pay you, tell me how much it is. Like, you give me the call. I'm not going to keep on calling because, I don't know, I'm just not going to keep on calling. I told him. He was like, yeah, that's cool, don't worry. You know, he's been backed up with some work, which is completely understandable. If you're well known, you're going to have lots of projects. So, yeah, that's where I am right now. Oh, also, shout out and thank you to Brian, because my car before the transmission thing, like, when you turn it on, it would rough idle. So, like, but it was because we had a new distributor and we didn't do the timing right. Or no, my dad didn't do the timing right. So Brian fixed that, so my car doesn't turn off. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate that. But yeah, March 22 is right now. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna wait until the car is done to make a new video. Cause it's just not worth it. It might be, and who knows, it might be done today, maybe in a week, maybe in 2 weeks. But I just want to get back on the YouTube grind and Twitch grind and Instagram grind. I just want to get back on my social media and start grinding it out like I used to back then before I got a job and it just effed up everything. So that's where I am right now. Still no car. Transmission is rebuilt. It is rebuilt, but still no car. And there hasn't been as much thing to do, surprisingly, which I'm like, huh, damn. Oh yeah, new mask, if y'all haven't seen that. What y'all think about it? I like it. But that's where I'm at right now. I don't know what else to say, honestly. But I think, yeah, honestly, like I said, I think this is gonna be maybe part 1 and then part 2, which I hate doing that. Especially on TikToks. I be seeing that stuff on TikTok. I'm like, bro, just post it in the same part. But it's just like, I gotta keep on posting something to, you know, keep my viewers in, because I posted a video of the HDR, the pistol, right? Also, damn, bro, some of y'all really be getting mad. Like, damn. But hey, the haters just keep on boosting this. Not my big ass head, my ego. But yeah, I think it was the comments. I'm not sure. It's like, oh, let me shoot you in the balls and this. I was like, damn, like, You tell me, like, I know, and it was a girl, a grown ass woman, I think, if I remember. Like, damn, you really, like, got nothing better to do in life, you know? But to the people that had my back in that video, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Welcome to the channel. It might be like this. I might start posting in a week again, but there's like nothing to post here. That's the thing. It's so boring out here. There's nothing to do, especially during the winter time, like during the fall. But in the summertime, hopefully, let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens, honestly. Also, I'm gonna start streaming again on Twitch. Yeah. I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch again. I'm gonna try to post videos on Instagram. So I'm gonna drop Brian's YouTube link in the description and in the comments. And I'll be dropping my link. You can my Twitch, my Instagram. It's one link that takes you to all of them. And you can just add a follow, like, or comment something, you know, I don't know. You do what you want. You know, it is free to do, but do what you want. And honestly, that's where it came to the end of this video. But I hope you guys appreciate it too. The new people that added me, videos, hopefully I'm gonna start being a little bit more faster with them and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, add me on Twitch. I'm gonna start live streaming there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, 4 days a week. But I think since I reached like 60 followers on Twitch, I gotta do that thing where it's like have a certain amount of viewers and then like record for a certain amount of time and then have a certain amount of people watching. But I mean, yesterday I did a stream and I got like 40 something viewers, which is great. Out of my 60 viewers, 40 of them watch. Appreciate y'all, you know. And probably people will be like, oh, do more gun content. That's the thing where I am in the state that I am right now. Right now, I'm in Washington State, right? Washington is trying to ban guns, like assault rifles. They banned high-capacity magazines. So Washington is, starting to do more things. And then if you go to a gun shop here, the prices are crazy, you know. The prices are crazy. And then there's not so many options of weapons and shotguns and rifles you can buy, you know, at least none that get my attention and stuff like that. So we just gotta wait and see what happens. And if not, I'm moving to the state that's next to us. Ohio? No, Idaho. Yeah, Idaho. No, but yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it in the meanwhile. But when that car, mark my word, when that car is fixed, I'm gonna be posting every time. I'm just gonna be posting crazy about that car. But it's gonna take time. Trust me, it's gonna take time to be posting videos like this and stuff. Cause like I said, nothing ever goes my way. But maybe that's just a sign. Maybe that's a sign for me to keep on going, keep on grinding. But like I said, either way, if you are new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. And turn on that bell notification, because it helps out a lot. YouTube is just weird with its notifications and stuff like that. So, but other than that, hope you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.